Champ Term Book, Series 3. Term 1, Science. Chapter 3, Animals and Their Ways of Life. You must have seen many birds, animals and insects around you. Have you ever tried to know more about them and what they are, how they live, etc.? Let us try to find the answer. Why, look at the adjacent picture. Do you see some different animals in it? What are they doing? Are not they eating their food? Note, the animals who eat plants and plant products are called herbivorous. For example, cow, deer and rat are herbivorous animals. Think of some other such animals and make a list of them. Now look at the animals like frog, tiger and the lion. Do they also eat plants? No, they eat the flesh of other animals. Such animals are called carnivorous. Think of some other such animals and make a list of them. Now, look at the animals like cat, crow, bear, etc. They eat flesh of other animals as well as plant products. Such animals are called omnivorous. Now look at the following picture. What do you see in the above given picture? Yes, a cat eats rat and a rat eats plants and plant products. Similarly, a frog eats insects and a snake eats frogs. This dependence of animals for food on each other is called food chain. Various parts of the body of an animal are suited to the type of food it takes. So, one can easily judge the kind of food a particular animal takes by observing its body parts. How? Now look at the picture shown in the next page. That picture shows you the teeth of a dog, a rabbit and a horse. The teeth of carnivores are pointed at the end to tear the flesh, their food. Teeth of animals. The teeth of a dog. The teeth of a rabbit. The teeth of a horse. But the teeth of the rabbit and the horse are not pointed. So they are not flesh eaters, i.e. they are not carnivorous. They are herbivorous. Their teeth are broad and sharp at the end and help them in chewing their food, grass, etc. Omnivorous animals like bear have teeth for cutting, tearing and grinding. The lizards have no teeth at all. They swallow their foods. The soft padded feet of the lizard helps it to come closer to its prey. Its long tongue helps it to catch and swallow its prey quickly. Frogs and crocodiles also swallow their prey without chewing. Birds, too, have no teeth. Instead, they have hard beaks. Do all birds have similar beaks? No. The shape and the size of the beaks of different birds are different. The beaks of sparrows, pigeons and hens are short, but hard and pointed to eat grains. The beaks of different birds. The beak of a parrot is short but curved to eat fruits. But the beak of a vulture is strong and hooked to tear flesh, while the beak of a crane is very long to catch fish from ponds, etc. Ducks have flat spoon-like beaks to dig out insects from the mud. Have you ever seen a butterfly or a bee? How do they get their food? They suck a liquid called nectar from the flowers of the plants. They have their mouth parts adapted for sucking. Now think about the different ways of the movements of different animals. Some animals like dogs and horses run fast. Animals like tortoise walk slowly. Some animals like snakes crawl on the ground. Birds fly in the air. Fish swim in the water. Movements of animals. Limbs help the animals to move from one place to another. A picture shown below shows the various modifications in the limbs of different animals. These modified limbs help them in their motion. Limbs of animals. You live in a house. Why don't you live in the open place? Does your house not save you from severe heat, cold, rain, storm and enemies? All animals require safety from bad weather and enemies. For this purpose, they make different types of shelter for them. Birds make nests. Birds make nests. Pigeon and its nest. Weaver bird and its nest. Nest of tailor bird. Sparrows and pigeons make their nests in and around our houses. They live near human beings. Birds like weaver birds and tailor birds make very strange nests. They use various types of materials like dry grass, twigs, leaves, etc. to make their nests. Female birds lay eggs in the nests. Ants live in colonies. Honeycomb for bees. Do you know about the shelter places of monkeys and squirrels? They live in natural shelters such as trees. Pet animals such as dogs, cows, horses and cats do not make their own shelters. It is man who provides shelters for them. Some animals live in caves, while some other animals make burrows in the soil and live underground. Some of the animals, such as snakes, live in the burrows made by other animals. Animals like ants and termites live in colonies. They make elaborate homes under the soil.